Through nothingness, I wander. I didn't know where I wanted to go, nor didn't know what I wanted to be. I just let the motion of my feet drag me, diving deep into my thoughts, drowning in search of answers, telling myself to hold on to your prayers, that better days will soon glitter.
Willy-nilly chasing mornings, random thoughts over routines. Do away with greater endeavoring, for this heart longs for puzzle of things. Get up and dope out with bells and whistles, but never to miss sip coffee in the middle. Freely, loosely, coming out on my own, awkwardly and glibly, explore towns willingly alone.
Message here on the telephone, 'cause we've no idea when we're coming home.